Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my first Aldi grocery haul, and as always I will go over the weekly meal plan first. I only got 1 week of groceries. So Monday we are having lasagna, Tuesday ground beef, potatoes and rice, Wednesday we're having buffalo chicken. I think we already had everything for that. Thursday is hamburgers, we had that already, and then that's Emma. And then Sunday we're having, which is today, we're having caldo de fideo. So we did the grocery delivery since we did get to have, Emma, don't do that. Since we were able to have free delivery. So I'll start off with the cereal. I got Rice Krispies. Some things didn't have like the name brand, but it's just, Emma, stop. We have Rice Krispies, Honey Nut Cheerios, restaurant style tortilla chips. We have 4 gallons of water, pancake mix, oil, chicken broth, apple juice, and strawberry kiwi milk. My husband actually opened this one up and he didn't really like them. He wanted just the regular Ritz crackers, but these were the only ones that they had. My mistake, I wanted sugar, but I accidentally got the powdered sugar. I got the dark chocolate almonds. We already opened this one. What is it? The sour cream Pringles, smoked turkey, and then honey ham, salami, French fries for the hamburgers, waffles. We never tried these kinds, so we'll see if we like them. Lasagna, English muffins, Italian bread, and I can't believe how huge this loaf of bread is. We got tomatoes for the soup today, chocolate chip cookies, I don't know if I said that, cilantro. What kind of syrup do we usually get? Well, it's like
maple syrup. It's log cabin.
We usually get the log cabin syrup, but they didn't have it at Aldi, so we just got some maple syrup. We got potatoes, and I couldn't believe how cheap their eggs are. It's only $1.09, I believe. We got some chicken and cheese taquitos, cheese sticks. We actually haven't tried any of these, like these brands. Mini corn dogs, I already said the lasagna, mozzarella cheese sticks, and then cheese dip, ground beef. I think that is everything. So I hope you enjoyed this little haul, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.